What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to release your shift lock mechanism if you don't have the key or if there's something wrong and you need to tow the vehicle. I'm going to show you how to actually move the shifter. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Down here next to the shifter knob, there's this little button right here. You just need a straight blade screwdriver. Take this little tab off. Just slide it in there and it pops up like that. Pull that little tab out, set that aside. Now you want to make sure you have your foot on the brake or even use the parking brake, and you're going to push on this little tab right here. With that little tab pushed down, then you can actually shift it out of park, put it in neutral. You can push the car if you need to. Just keep in mind your steering wheel will probably still lock, which that's not going to help if you don't have the key. But if you have the key, put that steering wheel back, and then you can shift it back in park. Put that tab back in, and you're good to go.
Thanks for watching. If you want the parts to do it yourself, check out 1aauto.com, the place for DIY auto repair.